Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7a. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Now enter security and privacy, go to device lock, screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with none, and now let's select swipe. Then let's select PIN, enter at least 4 digits, and next let's select password. Now enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern you have to connect at least 4 dots. Now, let's go to Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Firstly, let's set up Face Unlock and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select Fingerprint Unlock. And now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.